Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to work on light on the dark mode, switching between light mode and dark mode. Yeah, so let's go to the settings of the emulator display. So we already have the light mode turned on. So let's go to dark mode. Let's see. So as you can see, the app switches to dark. So if we come, we switch it back to light mode. The app switches to the light mode, right? So okay, so I'm going to explain to you how it looks like. So for you to set the dark mode, it's quite easy. We come here, we write the dark themes, right? This is for light theme and this for dark theme. So write the dark theme and we still use the same theme data class. Yeah, it's almost identical with the identical rather with the light mode theme. So we have, remember we have the app bar theme, deep orange. You can see the app bar theme is orange. We have the text styles. We have everything, right? Yeah. So the dark theme still goes the same way. So we specify the colors we want to use for the dark theme. So okay, let's go back. Let's change this guy to the dark theme. So as you can see, so we have black 54 as a color. So if we change the color to something, let's say we change it to green, right? It changes, you can see it, so it's almost identical, right? Sorry, it's identical, it's not using. So you just set the same styles you use originally in the light mode. So you just change it, you change the color, you change the styles, you change practically everything. So you can see the card theme is black 54 on the dark mode, but on the light mode, the card theme is deep purple. The color is deep purple accent. So you can see you just change the color you want to see on the light and the dark mode. So let's go to the text themes. You can see in the text themes we have we set the color to white for oh, where are you? Okay, we set the color to white for display large on dark mode, white and stuff like that, right? So we also make the background color to be shade 300. Yeah. Yes, we made the background color to be shade 300. So let's go here. You can see the text are white. You can see red, but on the you can see red. Afrobeat is the best. It's red, but in here there's no red color, right? I'll show you why it's like that. So let's come here. Let's start with here the first text theme. You see, I love to dance like a boy. It uses display medium, which is the same text theme that is here. You see, that we initialize here initially. Let me make this constant. Okay. So you see here red. Afrobeat is the best. You can see it's red. Now what we did was that we overrided the color of the original the original color of the theme, rather of the text theme. We overrided it, so it does not change. If we were to go to light mode, you see it will not change. It will still be red. You can see it's still red, it does not change. Can you see? So that is just the way it is. This okay, this Bonner boy is still the same color, so let's change it. Let's go to display small. Okay, there's no display small on the theme. Okay, let's copy this. Let's do display small. Yeah, so let's change the color. What color? Okay, let's make this yellow. Right, let's go to the light theme. Okay, let me make this much easier for everybody to understand. Light theme, we call this dark theme, right? It's much easier to understand. Yes. Okay, so let's go to the light theme. Yes, on the text. Okay, so when it's light to make it black. So let's reload this. I'm missing something. No, display small. Yeah, black. Okay, so let's go to the dark theme. You see, it's yellow. It's too bright. It's yellow, you can see. So yeah, that's the way it is. Thank you for watching this tutorial. So the next tutorial we're going to make is going to be a custom theming when you're building a Flutter app. Thank you very much for following the tutorial, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.